first time using the GoPro. Picture frames. It's cool. Picture frames. Oh, it's 50 cents. So here's Vera Bradley mug. Let's see. My glasses on. Kind of cool. These are all Corel. And these are, I have no idea. They're just made in China. Those are kind of pretty. Oh, that one's cute. 100th year. And this one. That one's kind of cool too. Wonderful, wacky women. Okay, put those in the bag. Okay. Alright, what else? Cute little trinket. A dish. Teleflora. Interesting.
How you doing?
You finding good stuff? I wasn't coming, and then I said, nah, maybe I'll take a run down. Nice. Awesome. I don't know what those are. Those are really pretty. 3 cups, 4 saucers. Creamers. This is pretty. This is very pretty. Huh. Kind of like that for $1. These are very interesting. Hobnail. I don't know how to zoom in, so you have to bear with me. These. Very cool. What are these plates over here? Oh, they're not plates. They are plates. These are cool. These are very cool. I might get these. I'm going to put these off to the side somewhere.
Right here, ma'am.
Oh, holding area. Okay. Perfect.
Right there.
Great. Thank you. They're really nice. They're different. They're very different. Yeah, they're cool. Nice. I like them.
You buy it, you break it, you buy it.
That's right.
Break soup.
That's not 400, right?
Well, if they were
I
solid
thought it was
gold.
$4. I know, right? I assume $4. Yeah, they're really nice. This is pretty. A mixture of silverware. Cosmos 1971. Just a mixture of stuff in here. There's that. These are pretty too. Same thing. I'm not sure how much this bag is. It's $1. All right. These are cute. Can't read anything though. And stoneware. Never heard of them. Pretty. Look how cute those are. All right. I like these. How are you? Not sure what this is. A little FM radio. It says $1.
Get out of the truck. What do I find?
I'm gonna get that for my
Like
dad.
a watering
Chili peppers. I've been down there.
Well, they I pulled up at the church after he bought it, and they said,
Here.
that part is so pretty. You gotta get it. We let them pick the name.
Mm. These faux apples. Look how cute. These are really cute. How much are ornaments? How cute these are. She's got a little chippage. I don't know why she's broken. There must be something missing other than paint. It's got a little hat, a little sock. Maybe I'll grab them. Kind of different. to get them. $4.